Simplification is always something that is interesting, but I will also point out that what is simple for one person may be complex for someone else. But the projects that you mentioned, Amy, share a number of characteristics. They're narrow, they are quick. When we take a look at the projects that the FASB's been able to complete over its life since the 1970s, the narrow scope projects are normally done very quickly. We're always looking for opportunities to eliminate cost and complexity. Another one, for example, was the removal of the need to track APIC pools. So as a preparer, I can understand that if there's a reporting requirement, if it's not clear that it's being used, I understand why there's a question about why we should continue to have that information. And sometimes the technical inquiries or the observations of the preparers are useful because it gives the staff the opportunity to reach out to other stakeholder groups. And when there is information that's being reported and it's not clear that it's providing meaningful information or it's no longer providing meaningful information, we are very interested in taking on those projects. The technical inquiry process is available all the time, and that's actually something that any preparer, any stakeholder can reach out to the staff and identify something for us to explore. Obviously, we would say early and often is really when we want to hear from the stakeholders. We also have several processes at the FASB, including a periodic survey through some of our advisory councils, FASAC, and those surveys are another way for us to gather input as to areas where change might be helpful or beneficial.